Let me ask you something. When you see cinematic AI videos online, do you assume there's a big team behind them? Cameras, actors, editors, because that's exactly what I used to think. I thought there's no way one person made this. But over the past few weeks, I've been testing a tool called Higgsfield, and it completely changed how I think about AI video. Today, I'm going to show you on screen how I use Higgsfield to generate cinematic AI videos straight from a browser. No apps, no complicated setup, just real AI filmmaking. Let's go. Quick heads up before we start. This isn't one of those hype videos where everything magically works in 5 seconds. I'm actually going to show you how the platform works, what the models are good at, and when you should use each one. If you're a creator, filmmaker, or even just curious about AI video, this will give you a real understanding of what's possible right now. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing AI platforms, and it's built specifically for creators. What makes it different is that it's not just one AI model. Inside one platform, you get access to multiple high-end models that handle images, video, motion, and even audio. So instead of jumping between tools, everything happens in one place. If you can describe a scene, Higgsfield helps you turn it into a film-like shot. Now let me show you how that actually looks. I'm inside my browser right now, and everything you're about to see happens directly on the Higgsfield website. Just an important note, Higgsfield does not have mobile apps. Everything is web-based. Once you're inside Higgsfield, this is where everything starts. You'll notice right away that you can choose different models depending on what you want to create. Some models are best for images, some are best for video with audio, and others are designed for cinematic workflows. This matters because AI video isn't one size fits all. Let me break down the key models and when I personally use them. This model here is Nano Banana Pro, and this is where I usually start. Think of this as your visual foundation. Nano Banana Pro lets you generate images in 1K, 2K, or even 4K resolution. But the real difference is quality. Text actually comes out readable, faces stay consistent, details look intentional. If you've ever tried AI images before and noticed weird text or broken faces, this fixes a lot of that. I use Nano Banana Pro to lock in the first cinematic frame before turning it into video. That alone gives your final result a much more professional look. Now this one is powerful. Kling 2.6 audio generates the visuals and the audio together. That means voice, ambiance, motion, and camera movement all in one generation. This is huge. Normally, you generate video first, then add sound later, then fix sync issues. Here, everything is aligned from the start. If you're creating scenes with dialogue, voiceover, or atmosphere, this saves a massive amount of time. And the output quality is full 1080p, which is more than enough for YouTube and social media. If you want fewer restrictions, this is where WAN 2.5 comes in. This model is more culture native, less filtered, and better at handling bold prompts. It supports lip sync, voiceover, sound effects, and camera motion all in one pass. You can also generate videos in different aspect ratios, which makes it great for YouTube, TikTok, and Reels. If you're experimenting creatively or pushing visual boundaries, this is the model to test. Now this is my favorite part. Cinema Studio is an end-to-end filmmaking workflow. Instead of jumping between tools, you go from text to image to video inside one continuous flow. What makes this special is control. You get real camera profiles, real lens styles, cinematic framing, consistent lighting and mood. It doesn't feel like random AI output. It feels like directing a digital film studio. If you care about storytelling, shot composition, and cinematic language, Cinema Studio is a big deal. So who is Higgsfield actually for? Creators making YouTube content, filmmakers prototyping ideas, brands creating ads, storytellers experimenting with visuals, and honestly, anyone who wants cinematic output without a massive budget. For the quality you get, this is one of the cheapest AI platforms in this category. Now, let me be real with you. AI video isn't magic. You still need good prompts, you still need creative direction, you still need to experiment, but Higgsfield removes the technical barriers. You focus on the idea, the platform handles the execution. That's the shift. What makes Higgsfield stand out is control. You're not just generating content, you're directing scenes. Audio, motion, consistency, and cinematic structure, and everything happens inside one browser-based platform. That's why a lot of creators are starting to pay attention. I've added all the important links in the description below so you can explore Higgsfield yourself. There's also a full guide that walks you through creating your first AI video, step by step. If you're serious about AI video, this is worth testing. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and tell me what AI tools you want me to test next, because if you can imagine the scene, you can make it cinematic. I'll see you in the next one. Let me pause here for a second, because this part is important. A lot of people look at AI tools and think the tech does everything for you. That's not how this works. Higgsfield doesn't replace creativity, it amplifies it. The difference is, instead of spending hours fighting software, you spend your time thinking like a director. What's the mood? What's the camera angle? What's the feeling of the scene? That's the shift. And honestly, that's why I've been enjoying this platform. It doesn't feel like pressing a random generate button and hoping for the best. It feels intentional. You make decisions, the AI executes them, and the more specific you are, the better the results get. That's something a lot of people miss. AI video isn't about shortcuts, it's about leverage. You still need taste, you still need vision, you still need to experiment. But instead of needing a whole team, you can do it yourself from one browser. And for creators who don't have huge budgets, studio access, or production crews, that's massive. This is the kind of tool that lets you prototype ideas fast, test concepts, and actually see your imagination on screen. And once you see that first cinematic shot come together, it's hard to go back.